Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Lift the housing and remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. Install your new AF7984 filter into the housing. Slide the tabs of the filter cover back into place and make sure that it is secure. Push down on the front of the housing to click it into place. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.